So, you've got money sitting in your stash account, and you're itching to transfer it out. But for some reason, it's like stash has locked you in a vault. Why is this happening? And what can you do about it? Let's dive in. Understanding stash transfer restrictions. Stash is a popular investment app that offers a range of financial products. While it's generally easy to invest and manage your money, there are certain rules in place to protect both you and the platform. One of these rules is related to transfers. Stash may impose restrictions on how quickly you can withdraw your money. This is often done for a few reasons. To prevent fraud, Stash wants to make sure that you're the rightful owner of the funds before releasing them. To maintain market stability, rapid withdrawals can sometimes destabilize the market. To protect investors, Stash may want to prevent investors from making impulsive decisions that could lead to financial losses. Common reasons for transfer delays. There are several specific reasons why you might be unable to transfer money from your Stash account. Account age. If your Stash account is relatively new, there might be a waiting period before you can withdraw funds. This is a common practice to reduce the risk of fraud and ensure that you're comfortable with the platform. Recent account activity. If you've recently made significant changes to your account, such as adding or withdrawing funds, Stash might impose a temporary hold on transfers while they verify your activity. Account verification. If Stash hasn't fully verified your identity, they may restrict transfers until you provide the necessary documentation. This typically involves submitting proof of address and identity. Market conditions. In times of extreme market volatility, Stash may temporarily limit withdrawals to protect investors. Transfer limits. Stash may have daily or monthly limits on the amount of money you can transfer. If you exceed these limits, your transfer might be delayed or rejected. Troubleshooting transfer issues. If you're facing transfer issues, here are some steps you can take to resolve the problem. Check your account. Ensure that your account is in good standing and that there are no pending issues or restrictions. Review transfer limits. Verify that you're not exceeding any daily or monthly transfer limits. Contact Stash support. If you're still unable to transfer your money, reach out to Stash's customer support team. They can provide specific information about your account and help you resolve any issues. Be patient. In some cases, transfer delays are simply a matter of waiting. If there's no urgent need for the funds, it might be best to be patient and allow Stash to process your request. Alternatives to Stash transfers. If you need immediate access to your funds, there might be alternative options available. For example, selling investments. You can sell your investments within Stash and then withdraw the proceeds. However, keep in mind that selling investments can have tax implications. Transferring to a different account. If you have a brokerage account with another firm, you might be able to transfer your investments from Stash to that account. However, this process can take time and may involve fees. While Stash transfer restrictions can be frustrating, understanding the reasons behind them can help you avoid unnecessary delays. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can troubleshoot any issues and hopefully resolve them promptly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.